Parents, have you noticed your child suddenly getting moody, irritable, or just completely grumpy? Last week, my friend told me about her 5-year-old. He woke up in the morning, slammed his cereal bowl down, and shouted at his toys, all before 8 a.m. And she was standing there thinking, why is he like this? Did I do something wrong? Here's the truth. It's not your fault. Most kids' moods are controlled by something we overlook every single night: their sleep. Tonight, I'll show you the exact sleep mistake that's making kids moody and what you can do tonight to fix it fast. Here's why it happens. When kids don't get enough consistent sleep, their brains can't regulate emotions properly. They're more likely to get frustrated, lash out, or cry over little things. Think about it. Have you ever been sleep deprived? You're short-tempered, distracted, and everything feels harder. Kids feel the same, only they can't explain it. One parent shared that after a late night, her toddler screamed over a toy and refused breakfast. Later, after proper sleep, the same child was cheerful and cooperative. The first step is creating a consistent sleep schedule. Same bedtime, same wake-up time, even on weekends. Kids thrive on predictability. Their brain knows what to expect, and emotional spikes reduce. Start small. Move bedtime by 15 minutes each night if needed. Stick to it. Within a week, you'll notice calmer mornings and fewer moody outbursts. Here's a big one: screens before bed. Phones, tablets, TVs. The blue light tricks the brain into thinking it's daytime. Hormones that make kids sleepy get blocked. One mom tried a no screens 1 hour before bed rule. Within days, her child stopped whining, was more focused, and woke up happier. Tip: dim lights, avoid tablets, and try reading a story or gentle music instead. Create a calm, predictable bedtime routine. Bath, pajamas, story, lights out. That's it. Keep it consistent. No surprises, no last-minute chaos. Your child's brain starts associating these steps with relaxation, security, and sleep. Over time, moods improve automatically. Sometimes moodiness isn't just sleep, it's anxiety or fear. Night lights, favorite stuffed animals, or a short chat about the day can reduce worry. Kids feel safe, their brains calm down, and mood swings decrease. The bedroom environment matters. Cool, dark, quiet rooms help the brain relax. Avoid sugar or stimulating activities before bed. Soft blankets, comfortable sheets, and gentle lighting make sleep easier, which equals calmer behavior. So parents, the sleep mistake is simple to fix, but its effects are huge. Consistent sleep schedule, no screens, calm routines, addressing fears, and optimal environment can turn moody mornings into happy ones. Try just one step tonight and watch the difference in 3 to 4 days. Drop a comment saying, "I'll try this tonight." Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical parenting psychology tips.